Hello Leute, wie geht es? So in today's video, we'll see how to introduce yourself. Okay, as all of you know, this is a full complete A1 speaking course, and I have divided this course into different parts, different videos. So in today's video, we'll see how to introduce yourself. This is very important part of Goethe A1 speaking. So I'll share one screen with you. Yeah. In part two, we'll see, as I told you, self introduction. Okay. And this is very important. Goethe Evan speaking for child one. Now you have to use this structure. Okay. To pass the exam. Just use this structure and fill your personal information. That also we'll see one sample I will just show you. First, we'll see which is the structure of this self-introduction. heiße, meaning my name is, you have to fill your name. Ich bin, whatever, Jahre alt, your age. Ich komme aus, from where you are coming, from which place, which country, there you have to fill that. Ich wohne in, your city, you have to fill here. And ich spreche, whatever language you speak, you have to add it here. And ich bin von Beruf, meaning Beruf is profession. So what is your profession? I am from this Beruf, I am from this profession. Whatever, lecturer, doctor, engineer, whatever your profession, you can add it here. And meine Hobbies, then you have to tell your hobbies here, okay? So obviously you have to speak in this. This is a expression module. So just example, we'll see how to uh, form this structure. Now first we will start with Hallo. Ich heiße Sarah. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. I'm 25 years old. Ich komme aus Indien. I come from India. Ich wohne in Berlin. I live or I stay in Berlin. Ich spreche Hindi und English. Okay. You can add ein bisschen Deutsch. Okay. Meaning little bit German also. Okay. But just to make it simple and clear, you can just write it like that. Speak it like that. Sorry. Ich bin Studentin. I am a student. And meine Hobbys sind Lesen und Musik hören. Lesen is reading, to read. And Musik hören is listening to music. Okay, this is clear. So just example, I have given it to you. So what is your homework? You have to tell your information. Just first, just write practicing, and then you can tell. Okay, or you can speak aloud like this. Okay, that ich heiße so and so, ich bin so and so year and all that. So you have to practicing speaking. You have to practice talking because this is a expression module. Clear? So just practice this till our next video and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. So I'll help you pass with the A1 exam. I'll be coming up with all these complete modules, and there are sample papers also on my channel. I'll give a link in the description box. So that's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye-bye.